Subtractive manufacturing is not a replacement of additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is not a replacement of subtractive manufacturing. We need to think through the design philosophies and make something function-driven generative design to be able to take advantage of all these things. And a lot of industries, right from toy making, mold making, wire harnesses, automotive, aerospace industries, everyone can take advantage of this kind of facility.
Raphe is the pioneer in the Indian defense industry, and I think that Mr. Mishra is the, I would say, the Elon Musk, okay, of the defense industry in India. Okay, so it's like really good to be with him.
So right now, the type of products that we have ranges from a small surveillance UAV that has limited endurance, but that is very lightweight, so it's very convenient, to another type of surveillance UAV that is a larger, longer endurance, fly as a swarm.
We are very proud to be part of journey with Raphe to make the next-gen aerospace and UAV components. The way they are exploring and utilizing the additive manufacturing and 3D printing technology is the whole reason why Formlabs exists.
We are at Raphe, India's largest additive manufacturing center, having more than 80 3D printers under one roof. This isn't just a facility, it's a landmark of innovation packed with many firsts. Raphe has the largest fleet of 50 plus Formlabs SLA printers to produce UAV parts, which is 10x more than any other facility in the country.
It's not just 3D printing for prototyping, it's truly 3D printing for production. And so you'll have a lot of parts that get 3D printed and then gets assembled into the drone that serve different purposes. And the flexibility that we have today with 3D printing of various materials and the time it takes, the cost, and so on has been tremendously helpful.
More than just about the technology, it's about combining Raphe's passion for innovation with Philips Additive's experts in advanced manufacturing.